Well, stories of recovery from COVID-19 are beginning to emerge. This one started with a routine phone call. Longtime Starkville resident Jane Owens got a call to remind her of an appointment with her cardiologist, but the nurse on the other end noticed Jane was coughing and sneezing. Jane says what happened next possibly saved her life and that of her husband. Our Cash Matlock has more on a local married couple, both recovering from the coronavirus.
Jane Owens is thankful for a lot of things in her life, but today she's grateful for a phone call. Thanks to a vigilant doctor's assistant, Jane was convinced to get tested for COVID-19.
They asked me what my symptoms were, and I said, well, I'm sneezing, I'm coughing.
And it wasn't too long before the conversation turned to Jane's husband, John. And it just so happened John wasn't feeling well that day either.
But he was rolled up in a blanket on the bed, was buried down like it was cold, and his face had a purple pallor to his complexion.
Fast forward a few days, John was officially one of the dozens of COVID patients in Oktibbeha County. Ominous news for Jane.
And he says, you brace yourself because your test will probably come back positive as well.
After John was diagnosed, he was admitted to OCH Regional Medical Center for 10 days. Jane says the first night without him was the loneliest she's ever felt.
I couldn't go to the hospital. I couldn't see him. I could just talk to him on a cell phone.
With John quarantined in the hospital, Jane was enduring her own kind of self-isolation, relying on friends and neighbors to deliver meals.
They have to ring the doorbell, put it at the back door, and then run.
John was eventually released from the hospital to continue his recovery at home. Jane got her test results back a few days later with positive results. Now the two are spending the next 15 days quarantined inside of their home. Jane remains symptomless. John, however, has picked up a new ailment.
He's developed a numbness in his right hand, and his fingers are numb. That worried me a little bit.
The couple married in the late 1980s. They've been together 34 years through sickness and health.
He has taken good care of me, and I'm going to be there for him. We took those vows and we meant them.
Jane relies on faith and daily prayer.
I've heard, Jane, the healing is there for you, but you have to reach out and take it.
And Jane has no problem taking it.
No lousy coronavirus. I'm not going to let it ruin any 2 minutes of a good day.
That was our Cash Matlock reporting. Now, John receives a visit from a home health nurse twice a week. The Mississippi Department of Health has not released any numbers indicating the number of patients like John who have recovered from the virus.